ang bigat. And honestly, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya babayaran. At first, I didn't want to tell anyone because natatakot ako that people would look at me differently. And yes, people I thought would stay, relatives, friends, people close to me. Sad to say, I can't feel them right now. I feel like I'm alone. But today, I don't care what others will think. I'm sharing this because I want to glorify God. I know this is just a phase in my life, and this is just temporary. And one day, in God's perfect time, He will restore everything I've lost. I am sharing this for people who are in the same situation. Those who are working hard, those who are trying to do the right thing despite the weight on their shoulders. I am not proud that I am in debt, but my heart says no more hiding. Face the truth, deal with it, and trust that God will guide me every step of the way. If you are struggling too, I want you to know you are not alone. Your debt may be big, but our God, He is so much bigger. Just stay faithful, work hard, and trust the one who never leaves.